Alright guys, we're in another must-win situation. We're getting to the end of the season here. We're not bringing any tricks. Starting off with Tumbles here. He's coming in with that special attack. He's got a lot of weaknesses. Gliscor to water, Heatran to water. We got a flying Terra type. So pretty much any of them can be weak to electric attacks. As well as Slowbro. Slowbro is going to be a pain. He's going to be sticking around a while, and we're going to try to make that not happen. Defog for the impending Stealth Rocks from Gliscor if he comes. Spikes from Roserade. And yeah, just trying to take care of it with him. This is kind of our special defense tank here. We've got that way. Our Miltank with thick fat and max special defense is really good against the Heatran's fire attack that puts you in like a fire spin, Magnum Storm I think it's called. We're bringing Brick Break for that Heatran. We're bringing Ice Punch for the Heatran that might turn into a flying type. And Stealth Rocks just in case our Stealth Rocks from Crocodile get sent away. Milk Drink, heal up. Sit there in front of Heatran and just beat him up. Miltank takes hits from Heatran. We got Baja. Mountain Mew, baby. This time, I'm hoping that my setup Mew actually works. We got Dragon Dance. We got Close Combat. We got Wild Charge. We got Ice Spinner. And we got that Colbur Berry. Because he has a Roaring Moon. And there's other Pokemon that could have like a sneaky dark attack or something. So, if I can get a Dragon Dance up and Roaring Moon is gone, I should be able to handle any Pokemon that comes out. Hopefully. That's the plan. Gonna take out Mew once Roaring Moon. Once Roaring Moon is gone. And to do that, we need Dougie. So Dougie's coming for Roaring Moon, mostly. I mean, he always ends up showing up, but he is a Roaring Moon type of defense mechanism. He's got Pain Split. He's got Sludge Bomb. Sludge Bomb, overall, I think, needs to come here. I didn't have it originally, but there's a lot of Pokemon that just resist either Fairy or Flamethrower, like Heatran, and Sludge Bomb needs to come just so I can hit a Pokemon on a switch-in like Slowbro, because Slowbro is going to be switching on Weezing a lot. And I just need to Sludge Bomb him, hopefully poison him on the switch-in. Rocky Helmet for that Roaring Moon, because he's going to be taking some big damage. And if he stays in to hit me on Weezing with Roaring Moon, I'll hit him with a Strange Steam and it's going to hurt. We're bringing Scizor. I went through a couple of different types of Scizors. This is the one that I landed on. So Roost, Bullet Punch, Dual Wing Beat, and Close Combat with Technician. And Leftovers. Dual Wing Beat for Roserade. Bullet Punch for priority against anything that needs to be destroyed. And Close Combat for the Roaring Moon and other... I don't know if there's any others. Oh, Heatran. And if Heatran switches in, I can Close Combat. Crocodile here with a Pasho Berry. You know, I think this might be the most berries that I've used, just because switching these guys in on their counterparts. Like, I'm going to be trying to switch in Crocodile on Slowbro, but also I'm starting Crocodile, probably. He's coming in with Taunt, Stealth Rock, Knockoff, and Earthquake. Hopefully I can get the Stealth Rocks off, and when Gliscor tries to defog, I can taunt him. That is the plan, at least. Earthquake, Knockoff. Yeah. Smack stuff around and Knockoff. I might even go Knockoff first on Gliscor just to get rid of the Toxic Orb. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to assess that in-game. But, yeah. Early morning game. Just turned time. We're facing our good friend Caroleo here. And we'll see how it goes. Must-win game here. Must win. I can't forget this. We're wearing the Mountain Mew merch today. Dragon Dance our way to the finish line here today. We'll name a Mountain Dew flavor after if we get this, so let's go. Our opponent is saying hello YouTube. Hello Caroleo. Alright, so there is Gliscor. Gliscor's here. Roselia, Roaring Moon, Heatran, Slowbro, and Tauros. Tauros is kind of the wild card here. I didn't train too much with him. But, I mean, hopefully everything is Terra Poison. Yeah, it is. That's what we thought. So let's go for a knockoff here, I think. I want to get rid of his Poison Orb, I think, more than I want to get... He's going to U-turn, most likely, so... Or do I want the Stealth Rocks? I think... Or do I just switch in Wheezing Galar and Kruk takes no damage? I think I'm gonna knock off. Oh, that's fine. Well, I mean, that works. Slowbro. Who do I want in on Slowbro? I mean, if he uses a water attack, well, let's see. Let's give ourselves a... I have the Water Berry, so this is where I want to be here. Slowbro... He did just lose his item, unfortunately. Defensive. Yeah, knockoff's only doing like 20%. So I'll probably... Yeah, I think I go into Rotom here. Okay, well, that's fine. And then I go into Caesar here. Probably gonna put out spikes, I assume. So he's got teleport, so he can't have Assault Vest. Yeah, this is expected here. Gonna go dual wing beat. Yeah, I missed that on there. That stinks. Can he... I don't think he gets fire type moves, does he? I don't think he does. Let's see. No, he gets Fire Fang. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna switch out. Back to Kruk. This is gonna be so annoying. Oh, man. I want to get these Stealth Rocks up. Yeah, that makes sense. So he's got teleport. I think I just go for the Stealth Rocks here. I got burned. I mean, Crook is kind of... Oh, if I taunt here, I think I should taunt, and then I'll keep Slowbro in here. He kills me, I put in Rotom. Ah, Future Sight, crap. What's he gonna switch into, though? What did he switch into last time? He teleported into Roserade? He's gonna go for knockoff again, I guess. I gotta remember Future Sight now. Who wants to take a Future Sight? No one, really. Okay. He switches into Gliscor here, probably. I assume. So I'm gonna Hydro Pump. Roserade. Same. Crit. Nice, we like crits. I mean, Dougie doesn't do too bad here. Against Roserade, at least. That's fine. What the? I didn't think that would hurt that much, man. Super special. Huh? Do I want to... I think I have to go with Miltank here. Man, that stinks. I have no way to do anything about Roaring Moon now. I mean, that Giga Drain did a lot. I think I Ice Punch again. It might switch into Slowbro, but can't really do much about it anyway. Poison, man, come on. Getting so unlucky here. I mean, is Tauros faster than me? Probably, right? Tauros is 110, so he is pretty much just faster than me here. I mean, I don't think there's any way that I really am able to use Miltank now. I switch it and it dies to poison, so I might as well just Milk Drink here and hope that he uses some sort of status move, like to dance or something. Yeah, I mean... Yeah, alright. What? Tauros learns Fire Blast? Oh, come on! learns. He learns a dark move, whatever. Yeah. Oh. Go for a close combat. I mean, what's going to want to take that? Alright, so let's see what we got here. Mew. No, not MJ. I want... Okay. Against a Roaring Moon. Booster energy speed. He's probably going to outspeed me, though. Isn't he? Yeah, I mean, he has to outspeed me, right? It does 61%. Oh, that actually doesn't kill me. 71. Close combat does 90, though. I think I do close combat here. 63? Man, that stinks. What, he's Dark Dragon? So Thunderbolt's really my only option here? Okay, well. He's resistant to that, huh? Well, that stinks. Probably resists Hydro Pump, too. That stinks, man. That stinks.